Oakley here, and it is the 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July!
Yay! And Ella's all decked out in her cute little red, white, and blue. We're gonna go get some fireworks. Do you guys want to come with us today? That sounds like so much fun. We're actually not planning on doing anything too much this year for 4th of July. So we thought, let's go to the firework tent. So come with us.
We're gonna be at the fireworks tent. Let's see what they have. Come on. We should go play.
That one's shaped like a camera.
Wait,
that one says it's a fountain.
Wait, you guys are a camera. You want guys watching.
Ooh, like that one looks kind of cool. It's called the Inferno.
Yeah, I saw that while we were driving in. The Inferno.
Oh, there's the chickens you were talking about, Ella.
Yeah.
Are those the chickens?
Yep.
You've been asking about these because of the ones Aunt Kristen did last year,
Yeah,
right?
these were the ones.
Ooh, Ella, look. Smoke bombs. We need some of those.
Yes, smoke bombs.
All right.
That year we had smoke bombs. Don't do fireworks and start having a doll present.
Alright guys, so we're in New York State and a lot of the fireworks are very small fireworks. We got smoke bombs and pops. I know we have sparklers at home. We did get one that's a little bit bigger and Dad's gonna blow it off, but you do not do fireworks without an adult present. You do not touch fireworks, you do not touch fire, you do not set off fireworks. Your parents have to do this.
Hey, I hear about too much here. Today it's 4th of July, guys! Woo, woo!
That's right guys, today is the 4th of July. It is America's birthday. Woo woo! We are all decked out in our 4th of July gear. I have my stars on and Ella has her red, white, and blue tie-dye. And we're going to pretty much stay in. So we're gonna show you how to have fun on the 4th of July at home. We have a couple things planned for you and that way you guys can see how much fun you could still have. All right, so being the 4th of July, we are actually going to be having smoked ribs. Dad makes the best smoked ribs, don't you, Dad?
I do. And we're gonna actually do a video on them because there is literally nothing special about my ribs. So
there's everything special. They taste delicious. They're like super sweet, caramelized, delicious ribs. And if you knew what went into them, you'd be shocked. It's gonna be perfect. So that's something fun we're gonna be doing on the 4th of July. Now Ella is over here. She was playing on the Nintendo Switch. I believe it was Minecraft. And now she went right back to it.
Yes, in Minecraft.
So she's just kind of hanging out till we have some fun later. So don't go anywhere and you guys can see all the fun.
guys, I just pulled the ribs out of the smoker. They smell amazing. Boom. You can see on these guys, I don't want to touch them too much, but I mean, they shrunk up right around the bone. Like I said, you're not going to win any barbecue contests with these, but you are going to win a lot of friends.
Well guys, we have our slip and slide ready.
Happy 4th of July! And a happy New
challenge with the slip and slide and the foam machine. What does that sound like fun, guys?
Yeah. Don't touch me.
Alright, so the way this challenge works is I have sensory fidget balls. We got these at Five Below yesterday. And if you saw our other video from Art Park, you'll notice that we did go get a whole bunch of fidgets, and these were some of them. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna throw the fidgets into the foam. And Ella and Bryce are both gonna race down the slip and slide to see who finds the fidget first. Whoever finds that fidget first gets to win that fidget. They're going to be building up their fidget boxes. Now Ella has gotten quite a few new ones and Bryce has a few too, so we're gonna have to see how this goes. Alright guys, so the kids are actually trying to get the foam machine all set up. I'm going to show you what kind of fidget balls we got. We got a pineapple. This one is an orange pineapple. This one looks like a blueberry. Watermelon. Oh, I love watermelon. This one looks like a grape. And my favorite, strawberries. Are you ready for your first fidget ball, your sensory ball? We have a yellow pineapple. All right, are you ready? It's going in. Who comes out with it first? Who's gonna come out with it first? Who got it?
No one.
No one's got it. You gotta look, Ella, look.
Got it.
Oh, awesome.
It's so sticky.
On your mark. Get set. We're going in for the red strawberry. Go. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get? Oh, Bryce got the red strawberry. All right, Dad's got the grape. He's gonna toss it in.
I just want to say, how awesome is the foam machine working?
Go! Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Come on, Ella, you gotta find one. Find the grape.
Down on the ground, look.
Come on, Ella, find the grape. Look at the floor. You gotta feel around. Find the grape. Find the grape. Well, guys, I guess Ella found the grape, so now we need to go with the next three. All right, guys, I have a watermelon, so we're gonna do the watermelon next. On your mark, get set, go! Who's gonna get the watermelon? Who's gonna get the watermelon? Oh, look for the watermelon, Ella! Keep looking for the watermelon! Ella, drop the grape in there. Oh, you gotta find the watermelon! Who wants the watermelon? Who's gonna find the watermelon? I think they're having more fun playing than they are looking for it. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Yay! Bryce found the watermelon! See the watermelon? Watermelon sugar, yeah. Watermelon sugar, yeah. Alright guys, so there were 6 sensory fidget balls, and they each got 3. We're gonna find out which ones they have after they're done having fun in the foam pit. Whoa, we got bubbles blown away! Woo!
Alright guys, I'm gonna take you in the slip and slide. You guys ready?
Alright guys, so the kids are in the pool, they got hosed off, and they're enjoying their 4th of July. Nope.
Hey Ella, you want to trade some fidget balls? Yes. No, this one I won this.
So which ones did you get, Bryce?
I got the watermelon, the strawberry, and the pineapple. It broke open? Yeah, the packaging broke open.
What did you get, Ella?
I got a pineapple, orange, I got a gray, and I got blueberry.
Alright guys, so they each get 4 boxes of these Snap Pop-Its, and they love them. You guys, if you get these, make sure you have adult supervision. Marshmallows and watching the fireworks, and we're going to end the vlog. We hope you guys had a very good, happy 4th of July, and we will see you guys in our next video. So don't go too far. Make sure you subscribe and like. Bye, everybody. Happy 4th